Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to give access to reports in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply all we need to do for that is to modify the access or the profiles permissions. So we need to go to setup and after that we need just to search for profiles. So here I'm just going to profiles and you can search for some kind of the standard profiles like the program management standard user. So we can search for this profile or we can create our own. So I'm just going to go like this. Let's just display all the record and basically we need for to start modifying the standard user. So as you can see, we can click on standard user and after that we can start click edit. And by clicking on edit, we can start giving permissions on something else. Now we can start searching for our reports. So we need just to go to the tab settings. We can search for the reports by going here, like go to reports, and as you can see, you can have reports to be not hidden. And as you can see, manage the reports, or we want just to read them, as you can see. So basically, you can start seeing all the permissions of the reports that you can see for this user. If you want to have something more specific and more personalized, you can create your own profile and then assign users to this profile. So simply you can go to profiles, click on cancel, you create a new profile and that's it, and you add the profile to the user. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.